Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So MCC has released its first round allotment and you can see it here. You can see your rank and the allotted seat in which quota and allotted institute, your course name and in which category you got the allotment. So, okay, so this is the complete list. You can check out the result and the team is working on analyzing the cutoff for all India quota, DNB, diploma and deemed universities. So we will be presenting that branch wise and category wise. Okay, so you can check out the result. Okay, and if you haven't got the seat, then with if you compare with the cutoff, then you will know that by what margin you didn't get it. And there is nothing to worry, because in round 2 you can expect the seat, because there will be positive seat compared to round 1 in round 2. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.